just snug them up with your lug wrench as best you can. Now we're ready to let the weight down on, or let the jack down and put the weight of the car back down on top of the tire. Once you have the weight of the car back down on top of the tire on the ground, we want to finish tightening our lug nuts. Just push down, that's plenty tight. You don't need to take your foot or anything to push down on it. It's good, hand snug. Okay, then we'll finally take the jack and remove it the rest of the way out from underneath the car. This time we're gonna go back and put it back in its holder.